I'm Diane Phillips. I'm the current incident controller for the avian influenza 2024 response. Agriculture Victoria is responding to an outbreak of high pathogenicity avian influenza that was detected at the end of May. 7 of the infected properties are located in the Meredith Lethbridge area in the southwest of Victoria, and there's one property that it was infected that's located in the Terang area, and at the moment we're running a process to remove all of the contaminated material from those farms. At the same time, we're conducting surveillance in the areas around those commercial properties so that we can pick up any new infections in either commercial farms or backyard poultry. In those areas, what we're also doing, as I mentioned, is this surveillance to detect any new incursions of the disease. And so that involves collecting a lot of samples from commercial properties that are still operating. But also backyard poultry owners are being requested to allow us to sample their birds. And it's a really simple process, so even if their birds are not sick, we're just collecting a swab from the live bird. It's pretty brief and doesn't distress anybody very much, and that gets tested like with a PCR test, similar to how you'd have a COVID test done, which you're probably all familiar with. As a result of that, we can improve our confidence that we're not missing any low level of disease that might have been present. And so the other thing that we'd really like owners of any susceptible species, whether it's caged birds, poultry, pigs, to notify us about is if their livestock or their animals or pets get sick, they're to let us know, and we can arrange for that sample to be collected, and we'll get that tested and get those results back. We're running this response with a really big team from Agriculture Victoria, but we're also drawing on a lot of support from other agencies and staff in forest fire management, for instance, as well as from interstate and private vets that have been able to assist us. It's a really big effort on everybody's behalf to pull this together, and what we're aiming to do is eradicate the disease on those infected properties and return Victoria and therefore Australia to a state of disease freedom that we enjoyed prior to this outbreak.